This is Microsoft highest and lowest price. How to buy at the lowest? You can use our apps to trade in pre-post market. First, click here. Pre-market allows you to trade on 4 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Intraday session is normal trading hour. Post-market can trade on 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. When you choose any session, transaction will show here. This is post-market. This is intraday session, normal trading hour. In this hour, there will be lots of transactions. In pre-post market, we can buy lower or sell higher price. Woo! Click on these two. You can see many by volume at this price.
What?
Near 3.011米 buyer at this price. But today I can buy cheaper price at post market. Someone selling at lower price after market close. We have this feature. Allows you to buy or sell at different market hour.
Nice.
PM before account sign up.